Welcome to the CoreSpec 3D tutorial video series. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add and manipulate different elements, or assets, in your floor plan. For this action, we will need a mouse and keyboard or a touch device. Let's start by adding a few different assets to your floor. To add an asset to the floor plan, select an asset category from one of the libraries. Then select the specific asset you want to add. Let's add a couple more items. Next, let's rotate an asset. To rotate, start by selecting the asset to rotate. Then ensure the rotation icon is selected in the asset toolbar. A directional guide should appear above the asset. Click and hold the yellow directional arrow above the asset, then drag to rotate it around. Click on the yellow highlighted points to quickly snap the asset to a flat direction. Some assets, like walls, can be stretched. To stretch a wall asset, select it, then tug on the blue arrows to extend it. You can also stretch and rotate the wall simultaneously using the radials. Other objects, like pillars, might have a red box around them to offer stretching points in different directions. Stretching these assets will also change the asset's shape. To stretch these assets, make sure the red box around them is active by selecting the stretch icon from the toolbar. When designing a model with assets like a sink or joining wall, you may notice that the asset will snap to the wall it is closest to. This will make it easier to position certain assets along a wall if they typically belong there. Some assets, such as the couch, are more free-moving. If you need to work with multiple copies of the same asset, start by placing it on the floor and making sure it is selected. Then, double-tap or double-click in an open space on the floor to create a duplicate. If you have one too many assets, simply select the asset you wish to remove and press the delete icon in the toolbar or the delete key on your keyboard. And that's it! You now know the basics of asset placement, movement, and manipulation. Reach out to support at cs3d.ai if you have any questions.